Question 1. We have the names of 5 different individuals, and what we need to find out is the ages of these 5 individuals. The first column has names of the 5 individuals, second, age, third, gender, fourth, income, and the 5th, education. The first thing we need to do is click under age. Then go up to FX, which stands for Insert Function. Then it'll come up with a box that says Insert Function, and we have a search box for our function, and we're going to type in VLOOKUP, and we're going to click on the go, and it's going to come up with our VLOOKUP function. From here, we need to click OK. Alright, so far, so good. Alright, so this is our function arguments box. Basically, it provides every single piece of our VLOOKUP function. The first step is the lookup value. Well, our lookup value is basically our reference value. And our reference value to start our VLOOKUP is John Smith. So we need to click this up arrow, go over here and click on John Smith. He's located in cell B7. And you'll know if you did it right because it'll say John Smith off to the side here. After that, we'll go down to our next step, which is table array. This basically means that we're telling Excel where our data is located at, in what table, and on what tab. So here we click this up arrow, we go down here and we click on data. We're going to highlight our entire table, and we're going to push the button F4. Down arrow. The next thing we need to do is tell Excel which column on the data tab within our cell range or table range the information we are looking for is located. We got to push the up arrow again. We've got to go back to our data tab. At the top here, some numbers highlighted in red. These numbers correspond to the different columns our information is located. So we have name, column 1, age in column 2, gender in column 3, income in column 4, and education in column 5. So we're looking for age. So age is located in column 2. So we want to click the down arrow, clear out this information that I put in there, and we just want to type the number 2. So that tells Excel where to find the information in which column. Our last piece of information that we have to tell Excel to finish up our VLOOKUP formula is our range lookup. Now the range lookup gives us a choice. We can either A, find the information that is not exactly exact but close to give us an answer, or we can tell Excel that we want to find the exact information that goes with our answer. Now, according to the range lookup, if we want a close match, we put true. If we want an exact match, we key in false. So we're going to key false right here, and it's going to give us a preview, and that preview shows 25. That is basically telling us if we did our VLOOKUP formula correctly, that in this cell right here, the number 25 is going to come up, And that is the correct answer for John Smith's age. So if we click OK, we'll see. So the 25 came up. So now we're going to go over to our data tab, look for John Smith, look in column 2, and see if it says 25. We locate John Smith. We've gone to column 2, and it says 25. So this says we did our VLOOKUP correctly. However, we haven't finished yet. In one, we've got to find the ages for all the other individuals as well. All right, so we're going to click back on the cell under age so we can see our formula. You remember earlier I said we needed to lock down our table and cell range by clicking on F4. By doing that, we can now drag our formula down and it will provide the answers for the ages of all 5 individuals. Now, we would not have been able to drag this formula down had we not locked down this cell range.